If you are a business owner, solopreneur, or agency in this time, keeping track of tasks and making sure nothing falls through the crack is one of the hardest part of running a business. That's where GoHighLevel's task management system comes in. Today, I will break down how GoHighLevel help you to manage your task easily so you can stay organized, save your time, and focus on growing your business without getting overwhelmed. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify business tools so you can get things done faster and smarter. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the description or the pin comment for the link of free trial and the special deals for GoHighLevel. And by using the official website, you will be able to use the free trial for the 14 days. But if you use the link from my description, you will get the 30 days free trial. So check the description and grab that. So first thing first, what is task management in GoHighLevel? Essentially, it's a way to organize all the things you or your team need to do. Instead of keeping reminders in your head or on your sticky note or in multiple apps, GoHighLevel sets you create the task, assign them, and set the deadline, and also track the progress all in one place. So this is really helpful for anyone who's juggling multiple clients, project, or campaign. Creating a task is simple. You can link the task to a specific contract, deal, or the project, which make it easy to see what needs to be done and who it's for. For example, if a lead needs to follow up call or an email needs to be sent, you can set a task and assign it right inside the GoHighLevel. You can also set the reminders so you never miss a deadline even if you are busy with your work. Another great feature is the task automation. You can set up workflow so that certain action automatically create the task. For instance, when a new lead comes in, GoHighLevel can automatically create a follow-up task for you and your team. This saves a lot of manual work and ensures that every lead or clients get the attention they need without you having to remember everything yourself. GoHighLevel also allows you to track the task progress. You can mark tasks as in progress or completed or pending and see at a glance what's done and what's the left. This visibility is great for solo business owner who want to stay organized and for small teams that need to coordinate with their work efficiently. The integration with pipeline and CRM is another big plus. Tasks are not floating separately. They are connected to your contact and deals. So when you look at the lead, you can see all the pending tasks, follow up, and next step in one place. This helps you to stay proactive and ensures nothing slips through the crack, which is crucial part when you are managing multiple clients or sales opportunity. Finally, GoHighLevel task system help you to reduce the stress when everything is organized in one place and the automation where possible. You can focus on high priority work like closing deal or creating content instead of consistently worrying about figuring out a follow-up or a missing deadline. So in short, GoHighLevel task management keeps your business organized by letting you create, assign, automate, and track the task from the one single platform. It saves time, reduces the mistake, and helps both solopreneurs and the small teams stay top of their work without feeling the overwhelm. If you want to try GoHighLevel, go to the description and check the link from there and use the extended 30 days trial link.